Let go. Just own it. Back it up, back it up. Ooh. Back it up, make it longer. Run it up, run it up. Run it up and let me control it. I love the way you bend. Girl, you should start a trend. I know you are perfect.
Again, good morning guys. Say good morning.
Good morning.
Salita ako ng salita, hindi pa pala naka-record. Tanga. Good morning from Kendall and Mommy.
So,
Kakagising niya lang.
I gotta tell you something. So, the monsters
There's no
didn't get
monster.
me.
So,
the
ang
neighbors...
breakfast ko for today is yung binagoongan.
No.
Natira namin binagoongan.
The neighbors didn't get
Alam
me.
niyo ba, meron akong allergy sa bagoong.
The
Yung nagkakaroon ako ng mga rash. May kurikong. Kurikong na talaga. Nagkakaroon ako ng mga kurikong sa kamay.
The neighbors didn't get me.
Pero kumakain pa din ako.
No!
Wait, I'm talking to them. Kumakain pa rin ako ng bagoong.
I'm disturbing you. I was just looking at you.
Hmm?
I was just looking at you. So, the neighbors didn't get me. See?
Talk to them.
Good morning. Surprise in here? Whoa! Surprise!
Andy, where are we? Where are we?
Come Buggy!
Yay!
Heart
Heart?
on your phone.
Can I see? I can't see. Whoa. Is this your favorite?
Yeah.
Gombagi?
Yeah. The owl said, whoo whoo. In the nighttime, the owl said, whoo whoo.
Oh, masarap po. Clams.
Sawap.
Sawap?
Yeah, sawap food, yeah. Yeah, baby.
Yeah, baby.
He has a kid eating his food like properly. Look, I eat my food. Like this. See?
Galing oh.
I eat it like a kid.
Show them how you eat. Here.
Aww, look. Aww.
So cute.
He has a bow tie like mine. And he has a juice like mine. So sweet.
Is it pretty?
He's gorgeous. Can you have water, please? When I have my hand up, I ask for water.
I can't give you water right now. One is using.
Take her.
Oh, sabang, baby. The ball, huh?
You want to try it?
No. I'm going to spit it. out.
Why? So good.
No. Aw, so cute. He's so adorable. She is so adorable. Aw. Let me look out the window too.
Hey, sit down.
Let me look out the window.
Mommy just told you to sit down.
I want to look out the window.
Mommy told you to sit down.
Whoa. There's a house next to us.
Guys, nagbe-bake ako ng chocolate cake. Ano lang naman yan, yung nasa box. Wala lang, para lang meron kaming dessert. Yan siya, oh, nasa loob. Yan na yung cake.
Yeah.
Mukhang tanga lang. Tinatamad na kasi akong tanggalin to. So, yan.
Yeah.
Nilagay ko na dyan.
Yeah.
Nilagyan ko siya ng chocolate ganache. Wow.
Yeah, we make it together.
Wow. Do you wanna taste it? Let's taste it now. Maapaw yung ganache. Sige, tikman muna natin. Ayun na siya. Kinat ko na. Mukhang masarap. Itikman na namin. Ayun siya. Muusok-usok pa, oh. Hindi na ako makapagintay palamigin, eh. Kaya, kainin na natin yan. Can I try first? Can I try it first?
You can try a little bit.
Ooh.
It's mine.
Muusok-usok pa yung cake.
Hey, is it yummy?
Wait.
Is it yummy?
It's so yummy.
Yeah, we make it together.
Okay, you can try. Okay. You do it.
Would you take a little bite?
Yeah, Mommy wants to try it first.
Mommy, you're going to get your tablet all messy. With
Okay,
some
go
cake.
try it. Go. Try to eat it. Wait. Is it good?
Yeah.
Is it good? Your teeth are dirty. Is it good? Oh yeah, I like it too. It's good. Ito
Yeah.
yung cake niya yung nasa box lang. Yung, ano ba yun? Sandali, kukunin ko nga. Tinapan ko na sa basurahan eh. Ayan, ito yung box niyan. Supreme Moist Cake Mix. Tapos yung, sana pala binidyo ko. Kasi trial lang naman. Nag-try lang ako. Yeah, so nag-try lang ako para next time. Gagawin ko siya uli. Mas maganda naman siya. So, tinry ko lang ngayon.
My cake.
It's okay. Just pick it up later. Don't make a mess, please. Tapos yung nasa ibabaw niya, chocolate lang yan na tinunaw ko with butter, tsaka konting milk. Yun lang. Yung chocolate, yung ganitong chocolate. Ito.
Why am I eating in the
Yan.
counter?
Semi-sweet. Tapos nilagyan ko ng butter at tsaka milk.
Why?
Ang sarap niya. Ang sarap ng...
Why am I
Ang
eating
sarap
in the
ng top.
counter?
Anong tawag sa ganito? Frosting? Sarap ng frosting. Diba? Is it good? You like it?
But why am I eating in the counter? I thought I was going to eat in the table.
Okay. You can go there.
Maybe later.
Okay.
Shade is Revlon Red. Tangan ko rin. Titips ko. Ano ba ako ba? Nakakabusit. Ano problema sa buhay? Ano ko aking titips. Ano siya? Finish na. Ano ginawa ko sa akin? Nails. Tipid. Sinamig magpasalon-salon. Diba? Titips lang na lang. Tipid pa.
Guys, close ko na yung vlog. Wala naman na akong gagawin. Kumakain lang ako ng cake. Tsaka magtiti ako. And that's it. We're gonna sleep later. I'm just watching ASAP. And then, after this, maybe we'll watch a movie. And then, that's it, guys. That's it for today. Good night, guys. See you tomorrow.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. I love you.